Stop eating for one day. 24 hours you will regret the day you did not use this method. Works in seconds. 6 months ago, I hit rock bottom with my energy levels. Dragging myself through each afternoon felt impossible. Brain fog made simple tasks exhausting, and my clothes kept getting tighter despite trying everything. Then my colleague mentioned she fasted for 24 hours weekly and felt incredible. Fasting for a full day triggers cellular processes that begin within hours of your last meal. Today I'm explaining what happens inside your body during those 24 hours and why the timing of when you start matters more than most people realize. Your body stores glucose in muscles and liver as glycogen for quick energy. According to research published in Cell Metabolism, these reserves typically last 12 to 16 hours depending on activity level. Once glycogen depletes, your system switches to burning fat for fuel through a process called ketosis. This metabolic shift starts happening around hour 16 for most people. I felt noticeably different at the 18-hour mark during my first attempt. A strange clarity replaced my usual afternoon slump. The Journal of Clinical Investigation documented that fasting periods activate autophagy, your body's cellular cleaning process. Damaged proteins and dysfunctional components get broken down and recycled when food isn't constantly coming in. Think of it as your cells finally having time to take out the trash and reorganize. This process ramps up significantly after 18 to 24 hours without eating. Researchers at the National Institute on Aging found this mechanism plays a role in longevity across multiple species studied. Insulin levels drop dramatically during extended fasting periods. The American Journal of Physiology notes that lower insulin allows your body to access stored fat more efficiently. Chronically elevated insulin from frequent eating keeps fat locked away in cells. Giving your system a break from constant insulin spikes may improve how your body responds to insulin long-term. I noticed steadier energy between meals even on days when I ate normally after starting weekly fasts. Your digestive system works constantly when you eat multiple times daily. A 24-hour break allows the gut lining to repair and regenerate. Research in Nutrients Journal suggests that fasting periods support the protective mucus layer in your intestines. Inflammation markers in the digestive tract decreased in study participants who practiced intermittent fasting regularly. My bloating improved noticeably within 3 weeks of weekly fasting days. Human growth hormone levels can increase significantly during fasting, according to studies in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. This hormone helps preserve muscle mass while your body burns fat for energy. Some research showed 5-fold increases in growth hormone during extended fasting periods. This surge helps explain why people don't lose substantial muscle during short fasts when done correctly. Mental clarity often improves dramatically once you push through initial hunger waves. The brain runs efficiently on ketones produced from fat breakdown. A study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience examined cognitive performance during fasting states. Many participants reported improved focus and mental sharpness after the initial adaptation period. I write more clearly and think faster on my fasting days now, though the first few times felt foggy and difficult. Starting your 24-hour fast after dinner works better than skipping breakfast through dinner. You sleep through 8 hours while fasted, which makes the process much easier mentally. I finish eating by 7 p.m., sleep normally, skip breakfast and lunch the next day, then eat dinner at 7 p.m. again. Only 16 waking hours require actual discipline. Drink plenty of water, black coffee, or plain tea throughout the day to stay hydrated and curb hunger pangs. The first few fasts feel challenging as your body adapts to using fat for fuel. Headaches, irritability, and strong hunger pangs are common initially. These symptoms typically decrease significantly by your 3rd or 4th fast as your metabolism becomes more flexible. I felt miserable during my first attempt and nearly quit at hour 20. Pushing through that discomfort taught me that hunger comes in waves and passes. Some people experience dizziness, weakness, or nausea during fasting periods. If symptoms feel severe or concerning, break your fast immediately with something light like bone broth or a small portion of easily digestible food. Fasting isn't a competition and should never compromise your safety or well-being.